Hi guys, let's answer the question, is gluten-free healthy on a ketogenic diet? What do you think? Well, actually, you see it marketed as gluten-free as it's something really, really special. And it's true, gluten is very, very harmful for your intestines and you want to avoid it like the plague. But just because it doesn't have gluten and it's a grain doesn't mean it's going to not affect your blood sugars, okay? You can have wheat that is gluten-free and it's going to spike your insulin. Quinoa, rice, sorghum, millet, oat, buckwheat, most of these grains have a glycemic index of right around 50. Well, guess what? Sugar has a glycemic index of about 59, so it's not that much off. So these will turn into sugar fairly quickly. So we have quinoa. Some people will say, well, this is a protein, right? It's not a carbohydrate. Well, it has 1 cup is like 24 grams of protein, but it has 109 grams of carbohydrate, 4 times as much protein. Okay, so it's mostly carbohydrate. So these will turn to sugar. Now, are they better than gluten grains like wheat? Absolutely, absolutely. But you have to factor in of how much you're consuming in your allowable carbohydrate amount. So we want to keep your carbs between 20 and 50 grams per day, not per meal, per day. So if you wanted to consume some of these in small amounts, go for it, but just make sure at the end of the day you count up your carbs and it doesn't exceed 20 to 50. But just because something's gluten-free doesn't mean anything, okay? Thanks for watching. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.